Hey YouTube, it's Sean. This is part 2 of the iRulu power jack repair on the tablet. And there it is. It's up and going. Works just fine. Works really good. It is currently charging. At not surprised, 1%. Yeah, it's only 1% charged. It's 9:22 in the evening, and I thought I'd sit down and fix this thing. Here's 2%. Alright. Sorry about the lack of videos on the generator. My little blue Honda Civic decided to puke a water pump up, so we got to change that. There's 3%, yay! But that's why the lack of videos on the generator, and we were gonna get there possibly tomorrow, maybe the next day, we're not sure. But anyway, I'm just working on this because I've been working on the Honda all day. Timing belt, water pump, the whole internal kit. So here's part 2 of the tablet repair, and it works just fine, and we're charging just fine. So alright guys, computers and tablets are a little hobby that I have on my downtime when I'm just sitting around, and I really enjoy them. They kind of relax me a little bit. I know it's kind of tedious, but they do relax me, you know. Turning wrenches is a whole lot harder. So there you go, guys. Little fix. Remember, go down there and thumb me up, and we'll get you a generator video very soon. Got a little bit of welding to do on it, and a little throttle control work to do on it. We're gonna get there, and we're gonna throw it up just for you guys. Thank you. Remember, thumb it up. I need you guys. I really appreciate you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.